At Pure NSM, we are not just another manufacturer. We specialize in high-volume encapsulations without magnesium stearate, or those expensive rice extracts that contain seed oils, or the carrageenan often found in the cheaper varieties of HPMC capsules. Ditch your uninformed manufacturer and join the clean label movement with Pure NSM.
Brand owners, do you know if your ingredients have been ID checked? Does your contract manufacturer require the use of synthetic flow agents for high-volume jobs? Don't settle for uninformed manufacturers that don't care about the long-term reputation of your brand. When you partner with Pure NSM, you gain an ally with an experienced team dedicated to your success. We have over 100 million bottles made and over 30 years of experience perfecting our skills in making pure products. Say bye-bye to magnesium stearates, rice extracts with seed oils, carrageenan, and other additives, often hidden and undeclared. Let's face it, times are changing and competition is stiff. Consumers are reading labels backwards. They are reading lab reviews made by your competitor or others. You can't afford to make any mistakes when it comes to formulating and marketing your supplement and brand. Don't get caught using additives. Don't get caught with weak potency. You need a team with a proven track record, people with the required skills to avoid additives, a factory with over 30 years of experience in manufacturing without flow agents. In case you haven't noticed, this industry is tricky. From farmers and milling houses in Asia that will cut your ingredients with buckwheat and rutin, to the use of outdated COAs claiming high potency when the stuff they send is much less desirable. After talking to our team, you will understand that we have what it takes to make your brand both cleaner, more potent, and truer to your vision. So how do we do it? Instead of relying on undeclared synthetic flow agents, we rely on the use of granulators, chalcinators, and the mechanical conditioning of powder that is then milled to the most ideal size to both blend in a balanced way and flow efficiently with great speed into your capsules. This is how you achieve the lowest price and the purest product possible.